Getting ready to go to the beach. Yeah, filling up the cooler. Really large. Those are really large. A lot of space to put some good amount of food in. The chips are coming. We got some drinks coming. Dip sauce. Yeah, you're coming. Pretty cool. Come on, babe.
Super easy packing up the beach bag, towels. I'm very impressed with the bag because it's got the whole cooler section and then so much storage in there. I could pretty fit about everything. Basically, before we had 2 beach bags, right? We had a regular beach bag and then a cooler bag to bring food. Now we basically combine 2 into 1.
Ready to go.
Living in Los Angeles and being so close to the beach gives us tons of beach days. That being said, with the little one, we end up carrying so much stuff and always end up carrying her too.
These towels are super smooth. The sand just rolls right off them. Tent, really easy to assemble. I mean, it just kind of pops open. You carry it down, filling up the sandbags. It's really nice, straightforward.
The tent is perfect. It's super, super roomy. The 3 of us could be in it and be super comfortable.
Tent's like a camper. You can spend all day. You can sleep in there if you want. The towels are like a blanket.
And they shake out so easily.
What more can you ask for? Lounging in the sun, taking in the ocean. You can't really ask for anything more on such a quintessential beach day.
Really the best part of all this, the tent, the bag, and the towels, is they're so efficient with space. I mean, I could have taken her to the beach without Dan and vice versa and not felt like I was carrying a huge load of stuff.
Want to bring it over here and show me? I like it.
It was such a perfect beach day. This is going to be our go-to of what we bring to the beach all summer long. Thanks for watching BuzzChomp.
Subscribe and share.
Subscribe and share.
Subscribe and share.
Share.
Woo.